I found a hidden CapCut AI feature that can turn a normal clothing image into a full professional fashion photo shoot. And the result looks so real that people will think you hired models, a studio, or even a photographer. I almost skipped this feature myself because it's hidden inside CapCut where most people never click. And if you run a fashion page or sell clothes online, what I'm about to show you could literally change how you market forever. But now CapCut quietly added a tool called AI fashion models, and it's one of those features that feels almost unfair because it gives small creators the same big brand look without a big budget. So today I'm going to show you exactly how I use it to turn a plain outfit image into a full fashion shoot and even a video. And watch till the very end to see my final result. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. Before we dive into CapCut, you need one thing: a clean clothing image. For tutorial purpose, I will show you the type of image you need. For best results, make sure you use a clothing image without a model, something like this. This is how the image of your product should appear, without a model or someone wearing it. It's time to go to CapCut. Click on All Tools. Keep scrolling till you find AI Fashion Model. Click on it and it brings you here. Select your product and click on Next. These are various models that CapCut gives you. You have both male and female with different body shapes. If you don't like any of the models, you can click on Uploaded to upload your own model. Or you can select all to create your own model from scratch. However, for this tutorial, I'll be using the models CapCut recommended. Remember, I've selected my product. It's a man's outfit, so I'll be going for a male model. Keep scrolling till you find your preferred model. I'm going for this one. Select and hit on Generate. Once your image is generated, please ensure that you save your image immediately, because if you don't save your image and you log out of CapCut, the image generated is gone. Although you can still generate another one, but if you're using the free version, you have limited chances while using this feature. The image is ready. I simply click on Save. Then if you want, you can click on Generate Video to generate a video of your model. And this was what I got. You can as well repeat this process for every other outfit that you have. If you agree with me that this tool is awesome, type amazing in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share it to other people who will benefit from this, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.